In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Moomoo to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is first go to their website, which is tradingview.com, and then from here you want to sign into your account, log in, or just create an account in case you don't have one yet. Now you can do this over here at the top right. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now once you have that and once you're logged in, you want to hover over products over here and click on super charts. This will take you to their chart over here. So this is the basic trading view. And then what you have to do is over here at the bottom, click on the last panel, which says trading panel. And then you want to kind of make this bigger by either like holding over here and swiping it up, or you can simply enlarge it by clicking maximize panel. And there we go. Now from here, you'll see you can connect with your trusted brokers. So simply find Moomoo. If you can see it over here, click on all brokers and then scroll down a bit, and there we go, there's Moomoo. Click on that, and then over here you want to click on connect, and after that it will take you to a site, there we go, where you'll have to basically log in using your Moomoo credentials, and then simply put in your email or user ID, or you can just of course sign in through phone if you want to. Click on next, put in your password, all your info, and after you're done with that, you can then go back over here. You can go back to TradingView. You can minimize that by clicking the restore panel, and then you'll be able to have this default view over here and start basically using Moomoo together with TradingView. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.